Cleaning a toilet can often be an unpleasant and time-consuming task, especially when stains, mineral buildup, and residue refuse to come off no matter how hard you scrub. However, there is a simple and highly effective method that can make this process much easier using something you already have at home. Start by flushing the toilet to ensure you are working with fresh water. Next, measure approximately half a cup of powdered laundry detergent, preferably one designed for white fabrics. Carefully sprinkle the detergent evenly around the inside of the bowl, making sure it covers stained areas and reaches beneath the waterline. Allow the detergent to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This step is important because it gives the cleaning agents enough time to break down stubborn buildup in organic residue. Avoid mixing the detergent with any other chemical cleaners, as this could create unwanted reactions. After the waiting period, use a toilet brush to scrub the bowl thoroughly, paying special attention to the area under the rim where grime often accumulates. Finally, flush the toilet. The surfactants and water-softening agents in the detergent work to loosen stains and dissolve mineral deposits, allowing them to wash away easily. You'll notice the bowl looks cleaner and brighter without the need for expensive specialty products or harsh chemical treatments.